Heads up. This is a very important public announcement for network marketing team builders. The only reason every leader in every company is not using this platform is, quite frankly, they just don't know it exists until now. It's what I had a company owner telling me earlier today. Gamification is the missing link in the development of people. It's very common in corporate America. It's getting more and more popular. It's now available for the first time. This type of Fortune 500 platform is available for the first time to the network marketing profession. Here's just a couple of the comments that people that we have. We have members right now from virtually every company all over the world. We pulled just a couple of their comments and what they're saying about this. Jeff said, focusing on mindset and realizing more and more how powerful the mind is. I'm realizing more and more as a man thinks, so is he. Kevin said, I made up my mind. I'm going to live my dreams and not look back. Pamela, I've been really focusing on being consistent, and I'm noticing that things are becoming easier with my daily routine as a result of writing out my plans and following them. That's part of the platform and what people do, write out their plans and follow them. Shelley Hall said, on to the next chapter of my life, mindset change. Ronnie said, I stayed positive and motivated all day. Alita, reacquainted myself with the value of self-talk. Dan Parks, I love waking up, rested, feeling positive, and knowing today will be an amazing day. Steven said, I listened to the webinar. We do one webinar a month for members, and it helped me focus on the things I needed to do daily to improve and continue to become more successful every day. Bernita Michael, love the absolute mindset change. And I could go on and on and on. We have hundreds of insights and testimonies from different people that are engaged in using this platform from multiple companies, and it just makes sense. It's just scientifically proven to work. Gamification creates engagement. Engagement creates growth. The content delivery gamification platform itself maximizes personal growth. Just the platform itself, regardless of the content, the platform itself maximizes growth. That's why companies like Toyota, NASA, Bloomingdale's, Wells Fargo, and the list goes on, are using it. So I hope you will not procrastinate. This is really too important to the profession, the network marketing industry, and certainly to your organization. Visit takebacktheindustry.com right now. You're going to learn more about how you and your team can immediately start implementing this Fortune 500 gamification training platform today. It's never been available to the network marketing business model until today. The Network Marketing Magazine has exclusive rights for this gamification platform. It's preloaded with the content that has been proven to maximize organizational growth. There's nothing that you can do today, tomorrow, this month, this year, nothing that you'll be able to do at this time in history in network marketing direct sales that will have a more positive impact on your team. Please check it out, not for us, but for you. Again, takebacktheindustry.com. Get started right now. Right now, 97 cents. We know if you get in, you spend 1 month in the platform, you will get it. You will understand something special's going on, and this is the future of training, not just in corporate America, but now for the first time with network marketing your organization as well.